Bomber jacket, also known as a flight jacket, is a top piece modeled after the jacket that pilots used to wear. And what do pilots do? Pilots pilot planes. And what do planes do? They bomb. Barred the airspace with planes. And what do you do when you look out the window and you see a plane that's way too close to you? You bomb your pants. And that's why they're called bomber jackets. You ever wonder why they're usually brown and green? That's not a coincidence. But really, now they're super hot and popular, and I'm gonna teach you how to properly style a bomber jacket. I'm gonna break the video down into 3 things, and they're gonna be style, fit, and color. So yeah, let's drop into this. Starting off with style, the bomber jacket has adapted many different forms over the past couple years. You got the super basic GI looking ones that you see everywhere. These are super cool, but now, some even have hair, and some got healthy and they lost weight. Some moved to Japan. These are also super cool. Some join the NBA. You get it. There are a lot of different styles and variations of the bomber jacket nowadays, and that's great because I think that each of them can be worn in their own way. You have different ones for different occasions. The original one is obviously the most diverse as it's very plain and simple. I like to wear them with something casual like an athleisure style outfit. The plain bomber jacket can easily go with your everyday pair of black jeans and sneakers. It's a very textbook outfit, but that's why there are so many different styles now. You can pick one depending on your taste. Are you too fat? Or, you want a more tailored look? There are slim fabric bomber jackets that look great, very minimal and tailored. You watch a lot of anime. You want a splash of culture? The Sukajan souvenir jacket is super dope. These are also everywhere now. Identity crisis. You don't even have to layer a hoodie underneath the jacket anymore because some of them even come from the store like this. The main point I'm trying to make is that there are so many other styles now. So when you want to branch out from a plain bomber jacket, you have so many options. As your style evolves, you got a different style bomber jacket. Next up, we got fit. Now, bomber jackets are intended to fit boxy and a bit cropped with a tailored waist. But it's 2019, and I think beauty standards are very unrealistic. No one is born looking like an upside down Dorito, but I think that bomber jackets that come in all sizes should be loved as well. Whether you're thick, extra thick, small, tall, short, Japanese. I love equality. This also applies for women. Usually I roll with a traditional fit, but a very popular one nowadays is the tailored style. This one's easier and simpler to style since it's on par with your body shape. You don't really have to think about proportions that much. With bombers, I usually leave them open almost all the time, but it's up to you. Open or closed depends on the style that you're going for, but I'd say even if it's tailored, you should be able to close it if you wanted to. If you're not able to close it, I think it's just too small. Again, I respect women of all sizes. I respect bomber jackets of all sizes, but unless you're getting a tailored one, they should fit a bit oversized to exaggerate the width and proportion. It's really what makes the jacket stand out. Lastly, we got colors, and now bombers look especially great with earth tone colors like green, navy, and brown. Again, there's no coincidence that this is the color of your poop. Okay, maybe not navy. Or, maybe you're having a bad day. But since it's a big piece of fabric, it's gonna stand out. That way, a muted earth tone doesn't make it so loud and stand outish. But for stuff like the Sukajan jacket, you can definitely have fun with the scheme. Don't limit yourself to what other people like to wear. I don't see this one too much, but I personally think that this sea green one is dope too. I would buy it, but now, people are always asking, where do you get them? A big one that people get their stuff from is Alpha Industries. But if that price is looking kind of thick, there are other options like the military surplus, thrift stores. I stole this one from my dad. So shouts out to the US Navy for, you can just join the military. You don't have to buy a bomber jacket. Just join the military. You get a free bomber jacket. You get married fast. You get a free Camaro. The few, the proud, the submarines. Join the Navy. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys, and make sure you leave a like if this helped you with looking fly in a flight jacket. Why? That should be the freaking title. Comment down below your favorite color. Follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Email me at frugalaesthetic@gmail.com for anything. And yeah, guys, respect women 2019.